We are at the Hong Kong Electronics Show. Our company name is E-Link Technology Corporation Limited. Today I just try to introduce our new item. First is the go-kart. This go-kart compatible with different hoverboard. This is 8.5 inch worth, so we can use that 6.5 inch. Very easy way to change it. And then we can adjust the length to the suitable size. Then, and this is the accelerator tether. And this is the brake. Look, here is the disc brake. Yeah, for security. Also, you can change the angle here. Make a different angle as you like. Also, the case is very strong. Even you hit it many times, more than 50 times, it's no problem. The next one is our C-scooter. Just hold it for 1 second and then the motor start working. And here is the battery indicator for showing the level. And just hold the left hand and click the right one. Then speed will become faster. Also, you can reduce the speed by click the left hand. Okay. Also, you can take it out the battery very easy way. Double lock. And the charger connector here. And the battery, you see, is 5 amp, and it's 14 battery cells. Install it easy way. And there is a security lock here. We also have another big battery solution. This battery including 28 cells. It's more power. Let me show you. Okay, just take it. Lock it. Both ways. Hold it together. Speed up. Slow down. Another point is this is a floating board. Even the battery run out of power, this board can help to float.